Hello children, my name is Kanak Rupani. I am going to teach you poem The Chimney Sweeper, page number 41. And by came an angel who had a bright key, and he opened the coffins and set them all free. Then down a green plain, leaping, laughing they run, and wash in a river and shine in the sun. Tom had a dream in which he saw that all sweepers are in coffins. An angel comes and sets the children free. An angel arrives with a special key that opens the locks on the coffins and sets the children free. The newly freed children run through a green field and wash themselves in a river, coming out clean and white in the bright sun. The angel tells Tom that if he is a good boy, he will have this paradise for his own. Then, naked and white, all their backs left behind, they rise upon clouds and sport in the wind. And the angel told Tom if he'd be a good boy, he'd have God for his father and never want joy. The angel tells Tom that if he behaves well, God will take care of him and make sure he is happy. And so Tom awoke, and we rose in the dark and got with our bags and our brushes to work. Though the morning was cold, Tom was happy and warm, so if all do their duty, they need not fear harm. Tom was happy in the cold morning in the chimney sweeper. He was happy because he always believed that if you do your duty, no harm will come to you. Actually, it was because due to the angel that came in his dream and taught that lesson. Finally, Tom and the speaker gather their tools and head out to work, somewhat comforted that their lives will one day improve. The chimney sweeper is set against the dark background of child labor that was prominent in England in the late 18th and 19th century. At the age of 4 and 5, boys were sold to clean chimneys due to their small size. These children were oppressed and lived diminished lives. This was accepted by most of the people in the society at the time. When Tom wakes in the darkness before dawn, he goes to work happy despite the cold. The speaker concludes with the moral advice that anyone who does their duty need have no fear of harm. The poem exposes the social evil of the child chimney sweeps while exploring the theme of the exploitation and vulnerability of innocence. Misery, death, and hope are the major themes of this poem. This poem presents the miseries of children as chimney sweepers and their contentment in life.